How to draw a body anime girl. Some fans asked how to draw the character dynamics. Today's trick will teach you a way to remember. It is 1 vertical and 2 horizontal 3 body limbs, and that's the middle line. 2 horizontal. The first horizontal is the moving line of sight of the shoulder. The second transverse is the line of sight of the crotch bone. The first body is the head. The second body is the chest. The third body is the crotch bone. Paint the thickness again. Limbs are 2 arms and 2 legs. The elbows are about waist level. The upper arm and the lower arm are roughly the same length. Then draw the character along the outer outline. And finally, the character comes out with the clothes. It's also detailed. If you can't learn again, come to the live stream to find me. Subscribe.